We're at a local quarry today. Try to get some bass, maybe some bluegill. There we go. There we go. That's a nice, decent one. I'm glad too. Thought I was gonna get skunked. You barely even let it hit. All right. There's that. And he's gone. He hit that one on the fall. There's another one. A little rock bass. Decent little guy. Bye-bye, Mr. Red Eyes. And there he goes. Now, I felt that guy hit it. I never felt that big bass hit it at all. That last one I got. Alright, I think I'm on to something now. There we go. Ooh, he flipped my thing off too. He was almost off. Not bad. Did you get my camera all wet too? Okay, folks, we're on to something now. Just stop, you tore up my worm so much, man. That's alright, we'll rig it from the bottom. This Ned rig is producing fish today. Oop, that one looks bad. Yeah, it was weeds. That's a pretty good color. Smith Baits, thanks for that. Ooh! I'm bound and determined to catch whatever that is. I don't like it. There we go, I got it. Ooh, we got off too, dang it. Dang it. Ooh. Ooh, damn it, he got off. There we go. All right, and there's another little one. Not too bad. Gonna let him go. Oh shit, I got one? Wow. That is a tank of a bluegill. Look at the colors on it. I was surprised he even hit that thing. I thought I was snagged in some weeds. Alright, we'll let him go. He's in shock. Come on, buddy, you're back in the water now. There he goes. He took off. I'm surprised that he went after that. I'm really liking the purple colors. Let me tell you. Better for bass, though. That's what I want, man. A tip that I could give anyone, if you're fishing for bass or whatever, and you're using lures, and you've been out for an hour or two, and it's not working, my biggest problem is clipping the line and retying something else and trying it. I fished out here for a little over an hour and didn't get any bites at all. Switched it up, started using a Ned rig. I got probably 5 or 6, only landed about 3 of them. And then I broke off my Ned rig, but now I got tied on a crankbait, so we're seeing how that works. Caught one big bluegill with it. That's the best tip I could give you. Yeah, if you're not catching fish and you've been out for a couple hours, change your lure up. You might have to go through your whole tackle box. Alright guys, this is where we're gonna end the video. I had a pretty good day. I got about 4 to 5 fish. Also had a bunch of other bites, but I just couldn't land them. The Ned rig was definitely working out here today. I broke one off, retied my last one on, and I ended up snapping that one off, and that's when the fishing really kind of stopped. I got one on a crankbait, or 2 one bass, 1 bluegill on a crankbait, so it wasn't too bad. Now, if you guys haven't already and you're not subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.